Looking for precise drilling and driving in tight spaces? The SP Tools 12-volt cordless SX drive 2-speed mini drill driver kit has you covered. This versatile tool features 2-speed settings and a variable speed trigger for complete control, from delicate jobs to faster drilling. Delivering up to 17 foot-pounds of torque with reversible action. Comes complete with a 12-volt 3-amp-hour lithium-ion SX drive cordless battery and a 12-volt SX drive cordless battery charger. Built-in LED work light, ergonomic soft grip, and an ultra-compact lightweight design perfect for engine bays, dashboards, interior work, and tight fasteners. Built tough for daily professional use, the essential mini drill driver every mechanic needs. Success is built with SP Tools.